Today we're located in the most desirable area of Vancouver, vibrant Yaletown. This is located right across from the unit with sweeping water views and city views that's protected by David Lam Park, and we've got the perfect home for you.
It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,200 square feet condo located at Parkview Tower, built by Concord Pacific, and it's got it all. With direct access to the Seawall, it's perfect for those who love the outdoor and the active lifestyle. For those foodies out there, we've got some of the best restaurants in town just steps away.
This unit is completely renovated from top to bottom with no expense spared, and we're so excited to be giving you a tour.
Welcome home. As you enter, you'll be captivated by the sweeping water views of Falls Creek through these floor-to-ceiling windows. This space is sure to impress. And for those reclusive days, just imagine sitting here, relaxing, and enjoying the sailboats go by.
This home has been completely renovated from top to bottom. As we transition now into this open concept chef's kitchen, I absolutely love this matte finish gray custom cabinetry from top to bottom with ample storage. Also, you have a built-in dishwasher with double mount under sink, black faucets as well. You have a AEG stainless steel appliance package with a stove, hood range, convection microwave, and oven that's built in. Also an integrated Fisher-Paykel top-of-the-line fridge. I also love this island with this waterfall. This quartz countertop is absolutely gorgeous. This is perfect for your beautiful spread for your friends and family to enjoy. And here is your third bedroom. You have these custom built-in closets. And this room can be used as a bedroom or even an office.
And when you're ready to unwind for the day, step into one of your 3 spacious bedrooms and you'll notice a change of scenery to this beautiful city view of the iconic downtown Vancouver and surrounding mountains.
You'll also love the 2 spa-inspired bathrooms that resonates with luxury. Modern frameless glass showers, floating vanities with LED lighting, and the perfect accent of top-of-the-line Renovated fixtures throughout.
Step outside and find yourself surrounded in the middle of Yaletown. It's a unique blend of historic and modern architecture, which provides the perfect backdrop for your everyday living.
This home offers access to amenities including an indoor lap pool, hot tub, sauna, gym, and a beautiful courtyard garden. You'll also have the convenience of 2 parking stalls and a large locker included. But the perks of living at Parkview Tower extend beyond the building's walls.
You're within distance of highly sought-after L.C. Roy Elementary School, restaurants and boutiques, Roundhouse Skytrain Station and Community Center, BC Place, Rogers Arena, Costco, and more.
Don't miss your chance to experience luxury living at its finest in beautiful Yaletown.
If you want to take a look at this amazing home, feel free to contact any one of us. My name is Denise and Jim Pham, or Herman Wong to schedule your private viewing today.